So today's video is regarding Canon TR4520, how to install the ink cartridges. Now first step is to switch on the printer and open the front door, and there's another, you will see here, cover as well, so we need to open this, and the cartridges will move itself and come in front. So once they have moved in the center, so just press and hold the cartridge downwards and then it will come out itself, both the color and the ink cartridge. And the cartridge number black is 243 and the ink is 244. Now to install it again, use the color cartridge on the color side, just slide it in and push it inwards, and same for the black, slide it in and just push it retroward, and now we can close the chamber. So that's the way we can easily replace or install the cartridges. Thanks for watching.